Hello everyone, this is Obimfo Nekwe, the national president of SOSA. I completed 85. I want to take this opportunity on my own behalf and on behalf of the national executive to say thank you to all SOSA members. Education, as I always say, is a shared responsibility with all students coming as a major stakeholders. We SUTESCO students see SUTESCO as our own property. We took over, or our presence was felt in the school since 2017, and we changed a lot in the school. My respective executive will say as to which one is in their department, but for an association we've not failed well, even though we are a growing association. When we took SUTESCO in 2017, things were very bad that even an indigenous Suhum guy would prefer Suhum Presec and Suhum Islamic to SUTESCO. But as I'm saying now, as I'm talking now, the dynamics has changed. Every Suhum guy will always prefer SUTESCO to any other school within the Suhum catchment area. For an association, before we get to a better destination, we have to look at what has gone on, what is going on now, and the future. For now, I think we are heading towards a good direction because SUTESCO is performing very well. I mean, when we talk about discipline, we are doing so well on campus. And when we talk about academics, you see, while the students are very disciplined, they definitely translate it to academic excellence. We've been doing so well. 2020 we did so well. In 2021 we've done very well. But as an association, there are a lot of things that we have to do at the same time we are organizing ourselves. So we have to do everything simultaneously. Now we've ushered in a 60th anniversary planning committee. As we are going to a new year, any step that we take is gearing towards the anniversary. We've put in an anniversary committee. They are doing very well, and there are flagship programs that is directly under the national executive, which I'm supervising. We have the SUTESCO fence wall to be built. I mean, we have to protect the school from encroachers, from outsiders, and then we have our main gate to be constructed. Now, design has been completed. Estimation has been made. The technical team is doing further discussion on it for it to start very soon. And then we talk about our science labs. I mean, our science labs are very deplorable. We have to fix it, rehabilitate it to a certain standard that students can take advantage of and perform very good in the national maths and quiz programs. We launched a maths and science college project, but I could not see the light of the day because of finances. Now we are going to move steadily towards the future of SUTESCO. We are going to put the walls, as I've already said, the entrance. We give the school a befitting entrance. The next step is to look for money for the projects. We are thinking about levying the year rules. We are thinking about free will donation. Already we launched a fundraising exercise which was creating 1,000 for 1,000. Now the 1,000 has been withheld because of some technical issues. Very soon it's going to be reactivated, and we expect every Tom, Dick and Harry to put in something. Because I believe reconstruction of SUTESCO should not be solely on the shoulders of only a few, because it's about reconstruction of SUTESCO, and we all had a bite of SUTESCO. So no matter how big somebody might contribute, and our small tool will add it up to make an awesome for us to go. So when it's the time for SUTESCO to be called upon to contribute, we should take the program serious. Then we will also call on some individuals to also contribute towards our projects. We also want to take advantage of the levy that will Yearbook should be asked to pay. We are appealing to Yearbook to organize themselves. We can contribute towards the reconstruction of SUTESCO. We have the Masters Bungalow to be renovated. Some of them are very poor. Recently, 85 took care of one and they did marvelous work. We expect other year groups to take parts. I mean, 2 or 3 can combine and take one and renovate. So that at the end of the day, when it's time for us to celebrate our 60th anniversary, almost everything will be consumed. Then after doing all the major projects, what is left will be welfare of members. Because I believe Sutesco Student Association, the strength lies in the strength of the year group. It's not about how hard the national executive work, but when we have a very strong year groups, automatically the association will be very strong. And I believe once the association is strong, it is we that are going to benefit, because everything in Sutesco has been consumed. The next step is we look at our welfare. A lot of things are there because for a very long time we left Sutesco to foreigners to manage it, and they mismanage the school. So we have a lot to do. After doing between now and 2023, before we celebrate our anniversary, we have to make sure we consume everything that is supposed to be consumed on campus. I want to take this opportunity to wish members, year group, the school management and staff happy new year. So 2022, by the grace of God, is going to be one of the best years for SOSA. We are going to make sure we marshal forces to construct Sutesco. Then I want to take this opportunity to ask the Almighty God to bless every member. And on Sunday, on the 2nd, we are going to have our Thanksgiving service. We expect every Tom, Dick and Harry to attend. If we can't attend, there will be an online thing that the links will be provided so that we can all then ask for God, the Lord's blessing for Sutesco. Thank you.
Namakutu